Okay, so here for the last time is the circuit we've been working on all these weeks. And all we have to do today is place the last two servo motors of our robot onto this circuit. The problem being we can't just do it in the same way that we did last week's. We can't just find ground and 5-volt pins on our Barnabas noggin and place the servo motors into there, simply because there's not enough ground and 5-volt pins to do so. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the servo motor off of our Barnabas noggin, and I'm going to take advantage of the breadboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a red wire here, and then I'm going to just put the other end of the red wire to an unused pin on the, or an unused row, excuse me, on the breadboard. So now that entire row is at 5 volts, and I have enough 5-volt pins for all of my motors. I'm going to do the same thing for ground. So I'm going to put this on another unused row, like so. So now you can see there's nothing on those two rows other than that black wire and that red wire. So now I can take each of my servo motors and I can pair up red and black. So here's my second motor. So you can see why the color coding was something we wanted to do this whole time. It's becoming a little more obvious now that we have so many wires on our circuit. All right, so now that row is almost completely populated. So the red row is all of the 5-volt servo motor wires, and all of the black ones are all the ground servo motor wires. Now we have left our yellow wires here. So we're just going to place each of these into the appropriate numbered pins. So the way we have it on our curriculum is that we have the 9 pin is the head of the robot. The 10 pin is the left arm. And the 11 pin is the right arm. Now, it's not necessary that you have exactly that way. Like, for example, you could have the right arm be 9, the left arm be 10, and then the head be 11. And that's perfectly fine so long as that they're on those 3 pins, the 9, 10, and 11 pin. Just keep track of which pins are attached to which part of your robot for the purposes of coding.